the grill hot and ready with a holiday favorite, the hamburger.
That's right.
And to show us how to add a smashing twist, kitchen manager and certified Angus beef chef Gavin Pinto.
Woo!
Chef.
All right, so you've got the secret to what is the best burger, and you start with the meat. So what's the secret with the meat?
So the secret to the meat is using the best ground beef you can get. So we use certified Angus beef, 80% lean ground beef, because if it's not certified, it's not the best. And when you're doing a hamburger, like when I like to do these for my family, I want to serve the best ultimate smash burger, or Daddy's famous hamburger, as my son Aiden calls it.
Okay, Chef, let's take a step back. What is a smash burger?
Well, the smash burger is all in the technique, and that's what we're going to go into right now. So we've got a hot griddle.
Always hot.
You can use like a cast iron skillet or a griddle right on top of a charcoal grill if you wanted to. But you use this is like a 2 to 3 ounce portion, and then we just take a heavy duty spatula and smash them.
There we go.
And these you want to get thin. Now they cook super fast, but in that time they develop so much flavor.
Did you come up with this technique?
You know, this is a technique it's really old school to like the old diners and hamburger joints of the past.
I feel like that's how it is at Five Guys. Isn't it kind of a thinner burger, like, you know?
And then you don't have to cook right through.
I don't know. I've never seen my burger at Five Guys because it's covered in 9,000 ingredients. I have no idea. It may or may not be a burger.
What is that?
So we like to keep it simple with a little bit of just salt and pepper. So this is our...
So you didn't season the meat at all until you've added salt and pepper right now?
Correct. We just do a little salt and pepper right when it goes on. And these are so thin that
so simple.
Like, they cook through pretty quickly, so I only season the one side because, again, they're thin.
Well,
and
when
you
it's
get enough seasoning.
when it's certified Angus beef, you don't need seasoning, right?
Just salt and pepper to bring out the flavor.
We go.
And then another technique.
Nicely done.
So
That looks so
this
good.
is another technique we have is
You add
putting
it
a
while
little
it's cooking.
Right.
So this is a combination of Worcestershire sauce, mustard, mayonnaise, and Tabasco.
Wait,
right,
how do you
and
say
then we
that?
grate some onion right into the sauce.
No, I'm
It's
sure.
always weird.
So you can see
Nobody says
here.
it right.
Now we'll get this smash. I get a little scrape,
Look at that.
and then flip, and you get a nice crust built on that side.
I'm in awe of what you're doing
I
right
am
now.
too.
See, look at that
I
beautiful
love
crust.
that
Develops
crust.
so much
I love
flavor.
it.
It's hard to watch this all this time and not want to eat something.
JD,
right?
good segue.
Now, I'm going right on with the cheese because these burgers are done
Now
in
this
about
is a
30
real
seconds.
cooking segment. When you cook what we're about to eat,
That's
during
right.
the segment,
Right.
that's
And you
fantastic.
can't get better than this smash.
You
That's
like American cheese because that's going to melt.
It melts
I
beautifully.
agree
It's
with you
all
on that.
texture.
There's nothing better.
I'm a purist about cheese, but except on the burger.
Guys,
Yeah.
JD is
What?
jumping the
I
question.
like No, I like American cheese on the burger.
We were about to have a brawl.
No,
Guys, take a look.
no.
Janice is leaning over. She's done
I
with
know,
the
she
question.
can't help
Take a
herself.
step back.
It's
The burger.
I've been up since 3 a.m. It's dinner time.
Oh, you combined it.
Right, so
oh
using
my
this
God.
The sandwich.
It's like glue to the burger, too. It
Yeah.
keeps
Oh
the
my
two
God, this
patties
is
together,
brilliant.
makes it kind of like a
Is a
cheese-filled
hamburger
patty.
a sandwich or just a hamburger?
You know, I'm going to give a hamburger its own
I
being.
agree
You
with
know
you.
what I mean?
Man,
It's its
I
own
agree
thing. A
with you.
sandwich is good, but a hamburger is kind of
Its
top
own
notch.
thing.
I'm not a member of a cult or anything, but is 2 pieces of burger with cheese, is that vegan? Does that count as vegan? I don't know.
I would say, you know,
There's nothing vegan about this.
Something I've ever heard.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not
Yeah.
a member of a cult or anything.
Okay, so we're gonna cut these.
So here
do you
what I'll do.
recommend any condiments on these things?
so I already got the buns ready because, again, this cooks
Did
so
you put
fast.
ketchup on that?
so
I didn't
can
see
I-
ketchup.
can I take a bite
The
of a
special
burger yet,
sauce
or-
on the bottom.
He's not
Has
playing around.
enough.
Get that knife,
Yeah,
JD.
that's got a good amount of flavor. And then lettuce and
Let's go.
tomato. Here, I'll get you another cut here.
Ladies first.
Here, can I
Now,
eat
this
one?
is a little messy, so you might want to give it a lean. Yeah, go right ahead.
I mean,
Oh
this
my
one.
God.
All right, let's
Oh
hurry
my
up, 'cause
God.
I have
Oh
to
my
get a bite
God.
of the burger here.
That is
There
amazing.
I do have some napkins there, too, if you need. But it is...
Can I tell you,
Smells
I love
delicious.
that you were
rich.
generous with the salt. It's
Yeah.
good.
You
Oh
gotta
my goodness.
season well, you know? Like, don't be afraid of salt. That's one of those chef techniques. Chefs
Okay,
love
I'm
to
going to
use a good amount of salt.
Okay with that?
And the other thing to look out for is this is our #1 video on our YouTube channel.
All right.
All right, guys.
So-
we got to send it away. Thank you so much.
Happy Labor Day.
This is amazing.